Grandma's birthday. She's gonna be
55.
55.
Here we go. Alex. Alex. Come here. Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. And many more. On Channel 4.
Thank you very much.
What did you do for Grandma?
Yay!
I knew Alice was going to do it.
So, do it again.
That was good.
Where are you going?
Next. Bring it on.
What do you think? Is it good? No,
Great.
Alex. Okay, that's enough.
You're spitting.
You should get the plates. They're
You
right
should get plate.
there.
Okay.
Someone get them. I'll get them.
Get them, Mom. Was that my arm?
No.
It's your mom's arm.
Whatever. It's your mom's arm.
It's your mom. Who likes cheesecake?
Me!
Me!
Not me! Not me.
Here's your piece.
Not me.
They probably don't want any. If you want to give them one, half it, because they're afraid they won't like it. I know they will.
I do. Thank you.
No, wait.
Well, I want that share.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here, Alex. Try her piece. Tell me if you like it.
Try her piece.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yup. You don't want any? All right, more for me. Look,
That
Mom,
one's
here's your
mine. Oh, yeah, that's my piece. I'll just take that whole thing
You want
right
this whole
there.
thing?
No.
Oh.
No, I'm going to have this one.
I coughed in my sleeve.
We don't want to get the swine flu.
Oh, look at that big piece I cut for Mom.
Save another piece for me. I got still a tiny piece, and this is yummy.
Well, what do you think?
Yummy.
I'm going to eat mine.
Mmm.